January. Welcome to Ti22 again. Hopefully you're following us nicely on the channel and are subscribed and everything. If you're not, hello, thanks for watching. And maybe you'd like to click subscribe. If you are, hello, welcome back. Look at this beautiful M2. Which I thought I would just stick the camera on the tripod and talk to you about for 5 minutes, because it's been a big job. It's been here for a couple of weeks, and we've done lots to it. It's been a mega job actually. So the job on this, the car is an original M2, so not a comp, not an LCI, the original M2 when it came out. It's a 16 car, 10,000 miles on it, mega spec car. It's got the M Performance wheel with the lights on, and it's been mapped, and it's got really nice M Performance exhaust, carbon mirrors, everything, mega spec. Hello to the owner of the car, I know you're watching. This has just been bought by a new customer, booked it in for a lot of little bits, well, for a bit of everything we do really, and a little bit more. So obviously, like most people, wanted it polished and a high-grade ceramic coating applied, which we've done. Also, we've put paint protection film, self-healing paint protection film on the front bumper and on the mirrors. The wheels have been removed, cleaned, ceramic coated inside and out, and the brake calipers have also been coated, cleaned and coated. And that is about it as far as the cosmetic stuff. And then also some other bits and pieces we've done is put some of the M Performance pedal covers on that the owner had bought, and also changed the window trim. Had a couple of little scratches on, so we sourced a brand new one of those from BMW and fitted that as well. So that was the job really, and I just wanted to talk you through it, say hello. Try and do more regular videos, which is really hard actually. Try and keep you informed and watching. And now I think I'll just pick the camera up probably in a minute and then cut together some shots, some finished video of it, because it's just come out so nicely. Loads of little jobs. Changed the back badge on it, did a couple of paint touch-ups. Just got it back to brand new really, which is a request I get more and more. You know, people buying a car like this, slightly used, a couple of years old, a couple of miles on it, just making it their own, and then getting it back to brand new. We've already had a comment from the customer. At this point he's yet to pick it up, but I've just sent him some photos actually, and he said, wow, I didn't think you could get a used car back that much. And yeah, you can get it, you know, we can get a new car better than new. There's always stuff we can do. And a used car can be brought back to that better than new condition as well with enough time. So I'm super pleased with this. I can't wait till tomorrow when the customer picks it up, but that'll be after, because I don't ever publish a car until the customer's seen it and he's gone and he said he's happy for a video to be done on it. So I'm filming this a little bit thinking I'm sure he'll be good enough to let me publish a video on his car. So yeah, I can't wait to give it back to him tomorrow. And then yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys think of it as well. So put some comments below, say hello, because we haven't put a video out for a while. Hello to all of you, and hope you have a good week. Cheers everyone.
I don't want your persona, I just wanna be real with you tonight. Can I have you alone now? I just wanna reveal what's on my mind. You tell me that you're used to no feelings, but I'm gonna change it. Yeah, you'll be awakened. Cause when my love starts working on you, it'll take your breath away like never before. And as soon as I go na 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 na, it'll make you feel that good love working on you. On you. You got a bad reputation. People tell me your heart is cold as ice, but I think you're amazing. I will show you the art of paradise. You tell me that you're used to no dreaming, but I'm gonna change Yeah, I'll take you straight to Wonderland. 'Cause when my love starts working on you, it'll take your breath away like never before. And as soon as I go na 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 na, it'll make you feel that good love working on you, on you. When I try to reach you, I know it's hard to break through the chain.